Hi YouTube creators! If you just uploaded a new video on your channel and struggling with creating title, descriptions, tags and thumbnail, this video is right for you. Let AI and optimization give you a hand. We'll go through this Nathan flow and we'll be working with this template. In my previous video I showed how it worked, so feel free to watch it. But first, let's add new video using my previous flow. So here should be a new record with the new video. Here we've got captions, status unlisted, here unlisted, proceed, then this auto-generated thumbnail, video title, and YouTube ID. Then this flow will enrich it step by step. So now we'll have this video, captions, unlisted status. Let's go. We're using OpenAI Node and two prompts. So one is system. If you are a senior Australia CEO editor, writing Australian English, play natural, and so on. And user. So given this transcript, so we're using these captions, return strict JSON with these keys, title, description, tags, and so on. So executing, it will take some time. Okay, we're having this reply from ChatGPT, generated title, description with emoji, tags, keywords, and chapters for our script. So let's execute next node. We'll use YouTube API and update some first data. So let's have a look. Here we are. So we updated title, description, and let me show you tags. Wonderful. Then we're going to the next step and getting this our beautiful thumbnail, preparing it to upload, and using this YouTube API with the send body property and executing this step. After that, we are having our video with title field, description, and text, and uploaded thumbnail, and we are ready to activate it. So activating video with this API query. Let's have a look. Status should be public. Unlisted, refreshing, public. Yahoo! Then let's go to the next step. We're reading first comment. So this should be hi guys. Comment with a link to our blog. Let's double check. All is working. And the last step, we are updating our database here. So all data that we created, we just inserted and updated here. Hope this video was helpful. See ya. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.